Hi. Often we come across a situation where we need to merge data from different cells in one particular cell in Excel. So let's see how we can do it in two simple and easy ways. In this example, I've got a list of products where I have the brand, model, RAM, storage, color, selling price of smartphones. I need to combine the first four columns and create a product name, which I can do by simply doing is equal to, select the cell, put ampersand, another cell, third one, and lastly the fourth one. And when I press enter, it will combine everything from the cells that I've selected. We might need to put a space in between, so we can do that very easily. Just put a space in two inverted commas and put the ampersand again for all the places where you need a space. And that's it. So here we have a name. So let's simply drag and drop. So I can see, as an example, Apple iPhone 11 128GB black with proper spaces. This is one way of doing it. But then you have to type and space, and so if you have a long list or long list of columns which you need to merge, this might take some time. You have an alternative option. You can use the text join function. Just type text join, open bracket. It will ask you what is the delimiter. So we needed a space. So I'll select that between two inverted commas, comma. It's asking if you want to ignore empty cells. Very good. Yes, I want to do that. So I will select true, comma. What are the text field or the fields that you want to join? So basically I simply come and just select all these four cells in one shot, close brackets, enter, and it is done. Simpler and faster. Do share your comments if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos in future. Have a nice day.